Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of this Star Wars Beyblade X Star Wars Obi-Wan Kenobi 460 point versus General Grievous 380 high needle. Yeah, got this at Target. Really happy for this. Oh yeah, before I show you that, yeah, I got this situated. The four houses plus the Hogwarts symbol. Yes, I wanted to show you guys that since I'm a big Harry Potter fan. Wearing a shirt, but yeah, you'll be seeing this probably tomorrow, I think. But yeah, let's get into this. Let's do this. Do the bottom. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. Really happy to get this in my collection. Oh shit. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. There. Yeah, come on. There. Got it. Really happy for this. Let's get this. Where is it? That's the 360 point. And high needle. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. It's a typical launcher, micro launcher, but yeah, let's get into these guys. Really heavy for this. Oh shit. There it is. Obi-Wan Kenobi, I love the blue. Here's the QR code. Here's the 460 and point. Now let's get General Grievous. Wish I was wearing a Star Wars shirt. I have a ton of them. I just need to bring them out of storage. But yeah, there we go. Here's the QR. Here's the 360 and 380, I meant to say, and high taper. Another high taper for this. But yeah, here we go. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.